What if I told you that skipping just one takeout meal a week could literally turn into 300,000? Sounds fake, right? But the crazy part is, this isn't some get-rich-quick fantasy. This is exactly how ordinary Americans quietly build wealth while everyone else stays broke. Because wealth isn't built by making one giant move. It's built by making one small move, consistently, for years. And today, I'm going to show you how saving just $100 every single month can realistically grow into $300,000, even if you're starting from zero. And trust me, once you see the math, you'll never look at money the same way again. Most people think becoming wealthy requires a six-figure salary, winning the lottery, getting lucky with crypto, or becoming some internet celebrity overnight. Social media has completely destroyed people's understanding of money. Every day, millions of people scroll through videos of influencers showing rented mansions, exotic cars, luxury vacations, stacks of cash, and fake lifestyles designed to make ordinary people feel behind in life. And slowly, people start believing that real wealth must happen quickly. They think if they are not rich in their 20s, then somehow they failed. But the truth is completely different. Most real millionaires are actually boring. They don't flex online every day. They don't scream about becoming rich overnight. Instead, they quietly build wealth year after year while everyone else wastes money trying to look successful. That's the biggest difference between wealthy people and average people. Average people spend money to impress others. Wealthy people invest money to create freedom. And freedom is the real goal, not the fancy car, not the designer clothes, not the social media validation. Real freedom means not stressing every time a bill arrives. Real freedom means not panicking about losing a job. Real freedom means having options in life. The ability to walk away from things that make you miserable. The ability to take care of your family. The ability to sleep peacefully at night knowing your money is working for you even while you sleep. And the craziest part is that this journey can literally begin with just $100 a month. That's less than what many people waste on food delivery, random subscriptions, energy drinks, impulse shopping, or useless online purchases every single month. Most people already have the money. They just don't realize where it's disappearing. And once you understand how powerful consistency becomes over time, you start seeing every dollar differently. Because every unnecessary expense isn't just money spent today, it's future wealth disappearing forever. The reason $100 a month can eventually turn into hundreds of thousands of dollars is because of something most schools never properly teach: compound interest. Compound interest is one of the most powerful forces in the financial world. It's basically when your money starts earning money, and then the profits from that money start earning even more profits. In simple words, your investments begin multiplying themselves. At first, this process feels painfully slow. That's why most people quit too early. Imagine planting a tiny tree seed in the ground. For weeks, maybe even months, almost nothing appears to happen. You water it every day, but the growth is invisible. Most people would give up during this stage because humans naturally want immediate results. But underground, the roots are growing stronger and stronger. Then one day, the tree finally breaks through the surface. And over the years, it grows massive. Investing works exactly like that. The beginning feels boring, but the long-term results become life-changing. If someone invests $100 every month into a simple S&P 500 index fund and earns around 10% annual returns on average, the numbers become shocking over time. After 10 years, they could have around $20,000. After 20 years, around $75,000. After 30 years, the account could cross $200,000. In around 35 years, they approach $300,000. Think about how insane that is. You didn't need to invent the next billion-dollar company. You didn't need to become famous. You didn't need to work 18 hours a day forever. You simply stayed consistent while time and compound interest did the heavy lifting. That's the part people don't understand. Time matters more than intensity. Consistency matters more than perfection. The market rewards patience, and unfortunately, most people have almost none. They want fast money, fast success, and instant rewards. That mindset keeps them trapped forever because wealth is built slowly. In fact, the stock market is designed to transfer money from impatient people to patient people. Every market crash scares average investors into selling everything, but smart investors see crash differently. They understand that when markets fall, stocks become cheaper. That means their $100 buys even more shares. And when the market eventually recovers, which history shows it always has over long periods, those extra shares become incredibly valuable. That's why wealthy people don't panic during downturns. They stay calm while everybody else loses control. Now here's the uncomfortable truth nobody likes hearing. Most people are not broke because they don't make enough money. They're broke because they never learned how to control money. In America, There are people earning six figures who still live paycheck to paycheck. At the same time, there are people with average incomes quietly building investment accounts worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. Income matters, but behavior matters more. You can't out-earn terrible financial habits forever, and modern society is built to make people spend constantly. Everywhere you look, companies are fighting for your attention and your wallet. Every app, every advertisement, every influencer, every sale is designed to convince you that buying more things will somehow make you happier, and for a few moments, spending money does feel exciting. Buying new clothes feels good temporarily. Ordering expensive food feels satisfying temporarily. Upgrading your phone feels exciting temporarily. But temporary excitement is expensive, because while consumers chase short-term pleasure, investors are building long-term freedom. And this is where the mindset shift happens. Once you understand investing, you stop looking at money emotionally. You start asking yourself different questions. Instead of thinking, "Can I afford this?" you begin asking, "Is this worth sacrificing future wealth?" Because every $100 spent today has a hidden future value attached to it. That same $100 invested consistently could eventually become thousands of dollars later because of compound growth. Wealthy people understand delayed gratification better than average people. They're willing to sacrifice small pleasures today to create massive rewards tomorrow. That's why most millionaires aren't flashy. They don't waste money trying to impress strangers. They understand something incredibly important. Looking rich and being rich are completely different things. Looking rich is easy. Almost anybody can finance a luxury car or buy designer items on credit. But actually being rich means owning assets that grow in value over time. Stocks, businesses, real estate, investments that continue generating money long after the original work is done. That's real wealth. And once your investments become large enough, something amazing starts happening. Your money begins working harder than you do. Imagine waking up in the morning and your investments made money while you slept. Imagine earning returns without clocking into a job every single day. That's the power of ownership. And it all begins with consistency. $100 every month, over and over again. Simple actions repeated for years create extraordinary outcomes. The biggest tragedy is that most people discover all of this too late. They spend their 20s wasting money because retirement feels far away. Then, they reach their 30s and realize life moves faster than expected. Suddenly bills increase, responsibilities increase, stress increases, and they wish they had started earlier, because the greatest advantage in investing isn't intelligence, luck, or timing the market perfectly. The greatest advantage is time itself. Someone who starts investing at 20 has a massive advantage over someone starting at 35. Even if the older person invests more money later, time allows compound interest to fully explode. That's why starting small today is infinitely more powerful than waiting for the perfect time. There will never be a perfect time. There will always be excuses. The market feels risky. The economy feels uncertain. Money feels tight. But the people who eventually build wealth are the people who start anyway, imperfectly, consistently, patiently, and eventually, the process becomes unstoppable. Imagine reaching your 40s or 50s and realizing your investments are now generating more money every year than your original contributions. That's when the snowball effect becomes real. At that point, your money develops momentum, and momentum changes lives. Suddenly, financial freedom no longer feels impossible. You begin seeing a future where work becomes optional instead of mandatory. A future where emergencies don't destroy your finances. A future where you can actually enjoy life without constant fear about money. That's what investing truly buys, peace of mind. And honestly, peace of mind is one of the most valuable things a person can ever own. So when people laugh at saving just $100 a month, they completely miss the point. The amount matters less than the habit, because habits shape identity, and identity shapes destiny. The moment you start investing consistently, you become different from most people around you. You stop living only for today and begin building for tomorrow. You begin thinking long-term while everybody else stays trapped in short-term thinking. And over decades, that difference becomes enormous. One person spends every extra dollar trying to look successful. The other quietly invests every month. 35 years later, one person has memories of purchases they barely remember. The other has financial freedom. That's why the question isn't whether $100 can become $300,000. The real question is whether you're willing to stay patient long enough to let time transform small actions into massive results.